Okay, today I want to talk about just how easy it is to set up your very own AI booking bot inside the system. Now, everything is already built for you. We just need two pieces of information in order to set this bot up. Now, the first piece of information is just what's the intro message that you want to send to the customers or to the leads. So I have just an example here. This is Gina with your company. Obviously, that's your company. Thanks for trying our demo. May I ask you a couple of questions before we get started? Now, you can make this anything you want. This is completely just your own text. Put it in, name it whatever you want, tell it whatever company you are, ask whatever specific question. Perhaps there's an industry specific question that you want to kind of mention in this very first one before they get started. So all of that is up to you. Then the second is the actual prompt we're going to use. Now, this is something that is already ready for you, so you can use this. All you have to do, it's kind of like Mad Libs, right? Like you just have to add in your type of business, your audience, the industry specific goal that that audience may have. So you'll notice that the prompt here says the AI is a type of business. So that could be real estate, that could be accounting, that could be sales, that could be software, that can really be anything that your business does, right? What type of business is it? Now, the second is that helps audience. Now, I say audience because that could be clients, that could be potential leads, that could be patients, that could be everybody has their own terminology for how they refer to their audience, right? So it could be customer. The bot is set up to, and again, you can change any of this that you want. You do not have to keep this as is. I put a framework in place so that it's very easy for you to go and just easily set it up. You can have this set up in less than 10 minutes, and the bot will immediately start contacting people and trying to set appointments with them. So some of the things that I mentioned here is like that helps audience increase their revenue by having AI set up appointments for them, right? It could be that. Now, it could also be that increase the revenue by having AI set up patient appointments or AI set up training events, or could be anything that you want to put in here, right? The AI tone is laid back and it should open with a greeting and ask if it's okay to ask a few questions to learn about the lead's business before finding out the following information through conversation. The reason that's in there is so that it has as much of a human conversation as possible. You don't want just short, pointed questions being asked to people that it's chatting with. You want it to reflect on what they've said. You want it to repeat back what they've said to make sure that they know that it understands what they're saying. And then you want to clarify their current situation, right? So how, like right here, I have an example of how are you booking appointments with potential clients at the moment? Now that could be exactly what you want to say. It could be something else, right? But what is their current situation? What is the pain you're trying to solve through whatever service it is that you are offering? And then two, what is their goal? So what is their industry specific goal? Now, if you are an accountant, it could be like, new clients every month. If you are a realtor, it could be new potential seller listing appointments. If you are in sales, it could just be a meet and greet. There's tons of different goals that people have. It's all going to be different and based on your industry. So then what is their biggest problem? And I put, do you have an automated way of reaching your lead within 5 minutes of the lead coming in? Now, again, that can be whatever it is for you. Like there might be a different problem that you're trying to solve, and that's why you're trying to set up an appointment with them. All of that is customizable. You get to decide exactly how that's going to work. Then it just goes through and says, once the AI has determined the 1 through 3 above, the AI should move on to booking a short call to discuss how AI can help them book more appointments, get more clients, enlist more subscribers. I mean, the list goes on. Again, you have full control over how this gets changed. And then to transition, she should affirm that we help with exactly the goals and problems they mentioned, and then ask if we could schedule a quick 10 to 15-minute assessment call to better understand their business. Okay, once you've added those two things, you are done. Your bot's working, right? So all you need to do is, I don't know why those balloons just happened, but that was pretty cool. So you are all finished and you are ready to start booking appointments. It's just that easy. Our system is designed to be plug and play. You can come in, you set up a couple of things, it starts working for you immediately. You do not need to have some advanced AI knowledge in order to use these tools. These tools are ready for you. Thanks.